And the argument that is put forth even in our studios by the taxi associations is the market decides the price. Like for airlines, if you want to visit Goa in the month of December, January, the prices will be high. Same with the hotels. Why are we not extended that kind of a facility is the question they usually ask. How do you respond to that?
See, you can't compare apples and oranges. Obviously, flights cannot be compared with cars. Hotel rooms cannot be compared with cars. Because, let's say, for example, if 5 people are coming to Goa today, and if I have 3 rooms, I cannot increase 3 rooms to 5. Or I cannot ask them to take it on rotation basis. But if I have 2 cars, I can do multiple trips and service all the 5 people. So therefore, it's not about that we have a capacity constraint. The taxi trips frequency can be increased depending upon the tourist footfall or increase in the demand for the taxis. So therefore, you cannot compare flights with taxis.